Good morning students. Today we will start chapter 5. This is chapter 5, growing plants. Okay student, you have seen plants. Manywhere you have seen plants, and plants are very important to us. Okay, plant provide us many things. Fruit, vegetable, whatever we are getting, we get from the plants. So what you have to do, you have to plant more and more plant, and you have to save that plant also. Nowadays what we all are doing, we all are cutting the tree and we are making that place vacant, no, for our building or for other things we are using the place. But plant, it is very necessary. So wherever you get place, you plant, take a plant and plant it. Plant is very important. You can see plant in playground. Okay, you can see plant in garden, school garden also you can see, in roadside also you can see flower plant, in your house, anywhere you can see the plant. So plant is very important to us. So like other thing, plant, other living thing, plant is also need reproduction. And this reproduction, what is the, they produce their more of their own kind. Why they do reproduction? To produce their own kind, more of their own kind. So plant also reproduce. Understood? Now you can see this one is the flow chart. Here I am showing you that reproduction is done by two way. Reproduction, plant reproduce by two way. One is the sexual reproduction, another one is the asexual reproduction or vegetative reproduction. Understood? Plant, they use two way to reproduce. Reproduction they done by two way. One is sexual reproduction, another one is asexual or vegetative reproduction. In sexual reproduction, what comes? Flower, they all do by sexual reproduction. And asexual reproduction are, again it is divided into two parts. Asexual reproduction again divided into two parts. One is natural and one is artificial. One is natural reproduction and one is artificial. Now what comes inside the natural? By root, you can plant it. Plant do their reproduction by root, by stem cutting. Okay, no, by root, by stem. Sugarcane you have seen, example is sugar, we are using that stem for the plant. By root means dahlia, all this plant we are using whole plant, and by root we are planting the plant. By leaves, bryophyllum, we are using the leaf to plant a new plant, and by spores also. Next one is artificial. Artificial means by stem cutting. Rose plant you have seen. Rose plant we are using a stem cutting and we are planting a, example this is rose plant, stem cutting, layering, and next one is grafting. Now in your syllabus, layering and grafting is not there. You will learn about by root, by stem, by leaf, by spores, and artificial you will learn by stem cutting and not layering. This one is not there, so no need to know about that. Understood? It is clear to you all? So if I will tell you, draw the flow chart of a reproduction, then you will draw it like this way. Okay, what you will do, first you will write the reproduction. Then reproduction is done by two way. One is sexual reproduction, next one is vegetative reproduction or asexual reproduction. Understood? Reproduction is divided two parts. One is sexual and another one is asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction or vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, it is again divided into two parts. You will like this divided. One is natural way they done their reproduction and another one is artificial way. Clear? Natural and artificial. Natural, by root plant use their root. We are using the root of the plant to reproduce. Next one is by stem. Stem in sugarcane, stem you have seen, we are using that stem. By leaves, bryophyllum plant you have seen. Yes, that plant, some plant you have seen a bryophyllum. That means from leaves only plants are coming out. That plants are known as bryophyllum. That plant natural and by spores. Next one is artificial. In artificial, stem cutting is coming, layering and grafting. Stem cutting, what will come inside the stem cutting? Rose plant. Clear to you all? Now what you have learned here in growing plant, first you have to grow more and more plant, because plant is very important in our life. We get everything from the plants. Whatever we are eating, we are taking, everything plant provides us. We get everything. We have to save plant. We have to save tree. It is very important for our life. So student, where you see all this type of plant, you can see plant at your home or roadside, in your school or park, anywhere you will visit, you can see the plant. You can see flowering plant, vegetable plant, fruits plant, many types of plant you can see there. Okay. So plants also, like other living things, plant also do reproduction. They also have to produce their own kind. Then only we can use more and more. We can get more and more fruit. Yes. So plant, what does plant? They also need a reproduction. From other living thing, like other living thing, plant also need reproduction. How plant? What is reproduction? Reproduction is a process by which they produce more of their own kind. It is a process by which plant produce their own kind. Understood? Reproduction is a process by which plant produce their own kind. Okay student? Now reproduction is done in two ways. One is sexual reproduction and another one is what you have learned, asexual reproduction. Yes, one is sexual reproduction, another one is asexual reproduction. Now sexual reproduction, flower plant, flower do sexual reproduction. Okay, in asexual reproduction, what you will write here, it is again divided into two ways. Natural way they do and artificial way. Okay, asexual reproduction or vegetative reproduction we can say. Asexual reproduction, two way, one is natural, another one is artificial. What comes inside the natural? Listen, what comes inside the natural? By root. By root, example I have given here, dahlia plant. You have seen dahlia plant? Yes. Dahlia, many other plants are also there. One example I have given you, dahlia plant. By stem cutting, by stem, not stem cutting, by stem, sugar cane. By stem, example is natural. By stem it is coming natural. Stem cutting is coming in artificial. Understood? By stem, what you will write? Sugar cane. Example. By leaf, bryophyllum. Bryophyllum plant you have seen in your school also, many bryophyllum plant, and in your home also I think you have seen many are keeping plant in your home. So by leaf, bryophyllum, and by spores. Okay. Next one is artificial way they do their reproduction. What? By stem cutting. We are using rose. Yes, rose plant. By stem cutting and layering and grafting. So in your syllabus layering and grafting is not there. You will learn till stem cutting. Okay student. Now you can draw this picture and this flow chart you will draw in your white page in your copy. Okay. Whatever I am writing you copy. When you will watch the video, you take out your copy and you copy everything in your classwork copy. Then only you will learn it. Okay. And write it properly, neatly. Okay student, write it.